Welcome back, Profit Quests family. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on exciting airdrop opportunities. Also, join our Telegram community using the link in the description, where I regularly share fresh airdrop opportunities and important crypto updates. Now let's dive into today's airdrop. Today, we're exploring the Part of Dream airdrop. If you haven't heard about it yet, this project has been gaining a lot of attention in the crypto community. Currently, they have over 162,000 followers on Twitter, and their website provides plenty of details about the team, roadmap, and what's ahead for 2025. Now, let's go through the steps to participate in this airdrop and start earning points easily. First, we need to head over to the website. To get started, you must connect your Twitter account to sign up. If you already have a Twitter account, you can simply log in. If not, create one so you can complete the tasks. Once logged in, you'll instantly receive 300 points, which will reflect in your profile. On the dashboard, you'll see all the available tasks that you can complete to earn additional points. Most of these tasks involve social media engagement, such as following their Twitter account, joining their Discord, and more. For example, simply following them on Twitter can earn you 50 points. Let's go ahead and do that now. Click on the Claim button, start the quest, complete the task, and return to the site to verify it. Once verified, the points will be added to your balance. Another task requires you to comment on one of their tweets. Click on Claim, start the quest, and post a comment. It can be something as simple as, "Good morning." After that, return to the site and verify your comment. There's also a retweet task where you just need to repost their tweet. Once done, verify it to receive more points. Another easy one is liking a tweet, which gives 10 points. Just start the quest, like the tweet, and verify the action. Next, you'll need to connect your email address. Enter your active email, but before verifying, ensure that it is added to your profile settings. Once it's properly set up, you can complete this step to earn more points. If you have extra time, you can complete as many tasks as possible to maximize your earnings. However, if you prefer to keep it simple, you can stick to the easiest tasks and still accumulate points. Aside from social tasks, there are additional ways to earn points. One of them is the daily spin feature, where you can win bonus points. Every time you visit the site, you can claim this daily spin reward. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Click on Spin, and you'll be awarded a random number of points. Sometimes 20, 50, or even 100 points. The spin resets every 4 hours and 20 minutes, so you can keep coming back to claim more. Another great way to earn extra points is through referrals. If you have friends who might be interested in this airdrop, share your referral link with them. You'll earn 300 points for each friend who signs up using your link, plus an extra 10% of whatever they earn. So, if your referral earns 1,000 points, you'll get an additional 100 points at no cost to you. To find your referral link, simply click on the referral button on the website and copy your unique invite link. In addition to referrals and the daily spin, there is also a daily check-in bonus. By logging in each day and clicking Claim, you can receive an extra 50 points. Make sure to check in daily to keep collecting these rewards. If you want to track your ranking, you can check the leaderboard, where you'll see users ranked based on their total points. The more tasks you complete and the more referrals you have, the higher you'll climb in the rankings. Before wrapping up, don't forget that you can also connect additional social accounts like Discord and link your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Coinbase, to fully optimize your profile. That's all for now. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Also, follow Part of Dream on Twitter to stay updated on their latest announcements and airdrop details. If you enjoy free crypto airdrops with step-by-step guides, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to join our Telegram group for daily airdrop updates and exclusive crypto news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.